So this is how you become a um an agent really in Dubai. The first thing is you need this certificate. This is the RERA certificate, the RERA certificate. Now let's go. Let me show you what this means. Go on Google, put it there. So you see there's an online course to it. So you see something you need to enroll in the training course and pass the examination, which may vary by location. Several institutions offer online courses, including knowledge academic, blah blah, India, whatever, whatever. You come on down here, you click on here, the Royal Course Training in Nigeria. Click on it. All right. When you click on it, you can start taking the training right now. If it's something if you want to become an agent, you don't have to be you don't want to be an agent. Don't worry your head about this. All right. So you simply just come on here. This is the Trust Pilot rating is cool. You come here. Cost labels is meant for all of that. So you have to put in your details, and then they'll give you the pricing for it. All right. So I didn't go this route because it's I'm not trying to be an agent. That's what I'm trying to do. All right. I'm just giving you all of this information. So they have all the courses here, and you can go through all of them. However, it helps if you want to go to the route of going through like an agent. It helps if you have this sorted out. So try if that's what you want to do. If you want, if you want to help you sign up, I can help you. But I did not go through this route. So my advice is you don't need to go through this route, but hey, you can go through it if you want to. It helps in other things. It even helps in your CV and whatnot that you have that you have that certificate. The next thing you need to do is you need to broker with a partner or a firm. All right, so there are different firms. So you can just simply go on Google and do the same thing. List of Dubai real estate broker, real estate broker firms, broker firms. The only thing you need to be careful about this is that these guys are almost doing what you are doing, so they might mess you up. So just be careful. So there are several of them here. You might just scroll, you see a list of them here. Just look at any of them that you think you can work with. But I always say before you get into a relationship with any of these people, schedule a Zoom call or a micro meet call or a Google Meet call or a micro Teams call. I mean, so that you get to understand who they are, they get to understand who you are, and you people can easily work together. Because if you don't do that, there might be some confusion later on in the system, later on in future. All right, so there are many of them here. All right, see there's one here. Allsop and Allsop, these are all of them. These are some of them here, and these are recognized for their expertise in the real estate market, offering a range of services for buying, selling, and rental properties. So you might not meet these guys. You might meet some of the big, you might meet some of the underdogs. Those guys will also help you get money because they're trying to grow. All right, and you can get them on Instagram and TikTok. People who are in Dubai and who are kind of doing this type of business. Okay, so that is also very important. You need a broker or a partner to help you do this. Then the next thing you need is to find clients is you need Instagram, WhatsApp, and TikTok, and all of them. All social media platform can help you. Even LinkedIn. Sometimes we forget to add LinkedIn to our arsenal. LinkedIn is a very good one, especially if you're trying to meet the big boys, the boys who call the shots. All right. They may be on Facebook or on Instagram, and they don't really spend time there. While some of them spend a lot of time in the LinkedIn community because they feel that's the corporate space where they belong, right? So put that into consideration, all right, when finding customers. But you can get customers on TikTok, on many places. On my channel, I've talked about how you can get customers from TikTok without even really doing too much work. Watch videos that pop in your screen and to show you exactly how you can make that happen, all right? But it's just I want to understand the principle behind it. Now, everything I'm giving you are basically how it works, like a framework. I want you to go out there and perfect this framework I've given to you. I want to go out there to make it better. All right. Do more research. This is like a guideline holding your hand, guiding you into an industry you probably know nothing about. So I'm holding your hand, like just imagine someone walking where there are a lot of waves. I'm holding your hand, making sure I walk you through the fear you have of seeing Dubai as one big city that you cannot access, that is not meant for you, that you're too low class for it. No, you can make a lot of money for Dubai. The good thing about Dubai is that they accept everybody, so you don't have to fear for anything. At least not as of when recording this video. I hope it continues to be like that so that we can all keep making money. Because if there's a disruption in peace, in orderliness, we won't be able to make money, and all of our investment there would cease to be. And I don't want that for any of you. I definitely don't want that for myself. So now that we've seen that how to become a real estate agent, now the time to see is how to now become a virtual real estate agent.